This is my drawing of the levels of organization. And a bunch of atoms turn into a molecule, and a bunch of molecules turn into a macromolecule, and a bunch of macromolecules form a cell, and a bunch of cells turn into a tissue, and a bunch of tissues turn into an organ, and a bunch of organs turn into an organ system, which eventually turn into an organism. Homeostasis is a property of cells, tissues, and organisms that allows the maintenance and regulation of the stability and constancy needed to function properly. Positive feedback is a process that moves conditions away from the normal state. Positive feedback mechanisms usually produce unstable conditions which might seem incompatible with homeostasis. Negative feedback is if the receptors measure deviations from the set point effectors are activated that can return conditions toward normal. As conditions return toward normal, the deviation from the set point progressively lessens and the effectors are gradually shut down. And a furnace uses negative feedback loop to maintain room temperatures, and positive feedback mechanism is like another positive feedback mechanism increases the strength of uterine contractions during childbirth, helping to bring the new individual into the world. And other positive feedbacks are the ripening of fruit, and another negative feedback is the regulation of blood glucose levels. And then I'm going to explain the directional terms of the body. The eye is lateral to the nose, and the nose is medial to the ears, while the triceps are posterior to the biceps, and the biceps are anterior to the triceps. The nose is superior to the mouth, and the lungs are superior to the liver. And the knee is proximal to the ankle, and the wrist is distal to the elbow.